Robots make things easy.
Sometimes they do not.
They confuse me often.
Do not worry, this is normal.
Today, we learn with robots.
Type yes if you agree.
This story is for you.
Let us begin this lesson.
My internet is not working. I must call for help.
Okay, Liam, what happened next?
A robot answered my call. It asked for my account number. I said it clearly.
Did it understand you?
No, it did not understand. It asked again and again. I said, "Internet problem."
What did the robot say?
It said, "Did you say pizza?"
Oh, that is very frustrating.
Yes, I was very angry. I wanted a human agent.
This is a common problem. Learning to speak clearly helps.
I need to speak better.
We will practice this now. Let us role-play this call.
I am ready to try again.
Welcome to our helpline. How can I assist you?
My internet is not working.
Please state your account number.
It is 456. Then 789.
Did you say pizza number?
No, I did not say pizza. I said account number.
Can you please repeat that?
Account number 456. 789, please.
I did not understand that. Please spell your last name.
My name is Smith. S-M-I-T-H.
Did you say myth?
No, I did not say myth. I said Smith. S-M-I-T-H.
I am connecting you now.
To a human agent?
Yes, to a live person.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome, sir. Repeat these phrases always.
Please repeat that.
Can you help me?
These phrases are helpful.
Always ask for a human.
That is a very good tip.
Subscribe for more English lessons.
Like and share this video.
Real English. Real communication.
See you next time, everyone.
Is English always happy talk?
No, sometimes we feel sad.
Today, we learned sad goodbyes.
It is a natural feeling.
Type yes if you feel sad. Clara is leaving today.
She goes far away now.
Leo is very, very sad.
Clara feels sad too.
They are at the station.
Train whistle blows loudly.
Their hearts feel heavy now.
It is a difficult moment.
Hear their last words.
Listen to their feelings now.
I must go now, Leo.
Please do not leave me.
I will miss you always.
My heart feels very broken.
Do not cry, my love.
This is so very hard.
I will write to you.
Please come back soon.
I promise I will return.
Take care of yourself, Clara.
You too, my dear Leo.
I love you so much.
I love you more. Goodbye.
Goodbye, my sweet Clara.
The train is leaving now.
Waving goodbye is painful.
See you again, my love.
I will wait for you.
Key phrase 1, I will miss you.
Key phrase 2, do not cry.
Secret, express all your emotions.
Good communication needs feelings.
Subscribe for more English lessons.
Real English, real communication.
English is too hard sometimes.
That is a big myth.
No, it is not always.
Short sentences help you learn. Do you agree with that?
Type yes in comments now.
Let us watch this story.
My phone does not work.
I understand that is frustrating.
I bought it last week.
What is the problem, please?
The screen is broken completely.
Did you drop the phone?
No, I did not drop it.
It looks like impact damage.
It just cracked itself.
That is not possible, I am afraid.
It is under warranty, right?
Warranty does not cover drops.
This is very bad service.
Let us see what we can do.
I need a new phone.
We can offer a repair.
No, I want a new one.
A repair is the only option.
I will speak to your manager.
Please wait one moment here. Now let us practice it.
Repeat the phrases with us.
Speak out loud right now.
My phone does not work.
What is the problem, please?
The screen is broken completely.
Did you drop the phone?
No, I did not drop it.
It looks like impact damage.
It just cracked itself.
That is not possible, I am afraid.
It is under warranty. Right?
Warranty does not cover drops.
This is very bad service.
Let us see what we can do.
I need a new phone.
We can offer a repair.
No, I want a new one.
A repair is the only option.
I will speak to your manager.
Please wait one moment here.
This is unbelievable service.
I am trying to help you.
I want a full refund.
That is not possible now.
This is your company's fault.
I do not agree with that.
I will write a review.
I am sorry for this.
I need a solution now.
The repair takes 2 days.
2 days is too long.
We do our best always.
I need my phone today.
That is not possible, sorry.
I am very disappointed here.
I understand your feelings.
Can I get a loan phone?
Yes, we can provide one.
Okay, that is better now.
Please fill out this form.
Thank you for your help.
You are very welcome here. Remember these key phrases.
My phone does not work.
What is the problem, please?
Practice them every day.
The secret is simple now.
Use short, direct sentences.
They are easy to remember.
Subscribe for more lessons.
Like this video also.
Real English. Real communication.
See you next time. Goodbye.